I'm Anusha and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Okay.
I realize that once we do start leaving the house, I need to be comfortable. One of the comfiest clothes in my closet are my shirts. Today I'm going to be styling 3 different types of shirts in 3 different ways. In the business casual aesthetic, I interpret business casual as something that you could wear to an event, party, a brunch, an exhibition vibe. It is fancy. This outfit is relatively basic in terms of how I styled it. I wanted to take a neutral tone shirt, so I played around with metallic tones in my necklace, earrings and my shoes. I would definitely wear this to a party. With textures and hairstyle, so I feel like that makes a world of a difference. So I took a satin shirt. I would definitely wear it to brunch. Restyled 2 pieces from my first outfit, paired it with a pattern shirt as an inner shirt. Don't be scared to repeat your clothes, it's totally cool. Play with tones, play with silhouettes and play with textures. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video. See you next time.